In this video, I wanted to go over three different emails that we've used to basically go ahead and engage, but also sell to our audience. So a very big example of this is like something we've been actually been doing with cosmetics and CPG brands is that when you just remind people about the free shipping that you guys have, like for example, a lot of e-commerce DTC brands have free shipping over a certain threshold. If you guys just remind them like every single week that they get free shipping over, in this example, it's $39.99. If you guys just remind your customers when they get free shipping over X amount, and you just send that as a campaign like every week or every other week, it'll do extremely well. Now, in my experience, this has not failed. So I'm not sure how long this is gonna last, or obviously it's gonna depend on your audience. But when you send this simple reminder where you just say, hey, look, you're gonna get free shipping over $40, $50, $100. If you just remind people that they're gonna get free shipping over X amount, you can just be like, hey, I know while you're shopping today, you can go ahead and just while you're shopping, just remind yourself that you're getting free shipping over the X amount. This does extremely well. And this is for this brand right here, Lark Island Farm. We used to send this like every week or like every other week. And this was the best performing campaign by far. So these were like sales campaigns, so like how to save and also just how to get more points to save more. But this one right here, this free shipping reminder, it just blew our minds how effective it was. And we did this for a supplement company, we did this for another supplement company, and we did this for a cosmetics company as well, like other cosmetics company. So they all did really well. And I think it just has to do with the fact that it's innate. And I'm going to make another video about innate offers because it's something that a lot of brands forget. They just focus on how can we create this offer? How can we make this offer, better? But they completely forget about the innate offers. And the innate offers are basically offers that are already built into your actual backend. So this is an example of an innate offer, free shipping on orders over $39.99. So that means that regardless of what they do, they'll always get free shipping as long as it's over $39.99. So in this simple email, all we're doing is just doing like a big graphic right here, free shipping on orders over $39.99. We know the feeling of triumph when your cart hits the required amount for free shipping. It's all about the little wins, isn't it? So all we did was just do like a small little copy section, stock up on your favorites, and we'll take care of the shipping for you on orders over $39.99. And this is all we did. And we did this in plain text fashion. We did this in smaller fashion as well, like smaller designs, because these were actually the more outdated designs that we had built for them. We actually went ahead and improved on their design by actually making this graphic section a lot smaller and making the copy a lot bigger. But this is just an example of what we did to basically drive hundreds and thousands of dollars just by sending a simple reminder every single week, for a CPG company. And we always include reviews at the bottom. So this is kind of the basic template of what we use when we do these campaigns. And all we're doing is just saying what our customers say. And when you're doing these free shipping reminders, you could just go general with your product base. So for example, if we're going to do this is right here, this is a granola product. If we were to do a granola email, we would just have like granola reviews. But for these type of emails where it's just free shipping, or if it's like a, secret to save and it's like a mixed product, like for example, like this isn't really product focus, it's like just general mixed products, we just go ahead and just use general reviews. So in this case, what we did is we used granola reviews, we use the trail mix reviews, and we use the the nuts and seed reviews as well. So it doesn't have to be that complicated. All we did was focus on the innate offer, which is free shipping, and then obviously we just went into CTA right here. In the final product, we went ahead and made this a lot better by making it bigger. But this is just an example of what we did to actually drive revenue every single week for this client. And obviously, you'd be surprised at how effective this is if you just keep it simple. So I wanted to cover these two as well. It goes into the innate offers, which is something that I think a lot of brands really forget, because every time I bring it up on a call, they are just like, oh, why didn't we think of that? Oh, why don't we just send more campaigns about giving free shipping or saving more with our point system like this right here. So this one is called this is for like gift boxes. So in this case, the gift boxes that they were selling, they always ship free, because obviously the AOV on this gift box it went over the $39.99 threshold. So whenever you bought this gift box, you just go ahead and you would get free shipping every time you bought this gift box. So our angle here was like, if you're going to order like 6 different granolas and you're going to stock up on all this granola, you might as well just buy your gift box and save with buying this gift box. So it's kind of our angle here. And we started with our secrets to save. There are ways to save at Lark Island Farm that are so easy to miss that they remain a mystery. So we're sharing them with you. So basically, the reason why we said this right here is because a lot of the customers will forget that they can actually save by buying our gift boxes. So what we said, make sure you get the most out of these when shopping today, or it will remain a mystery to you too. So essentially, Talked about the gift box here. They always ship free. Our best selling 4-pack vanilla is 9% off. We also talked about other packages as well. So the first one was the six pack gift boxes that ships free. We talked about the 4-pack granola right here. That's 9% off. We should have just said 10% off. I think in the final product we said 10% off just so it looks a little better. Bundle points and redeem them for cashback rewards to save up to $25 off site wide. That was basically an offer that they were running on their website at the time. And then mix and match your favorites and get free shipping on orders $39.99. So this is just us basically reminding the customer that they're going to get, free shipping if they spend over $39.99. And then at the end, we had a CTA, and then we have this section right here, which is basically a review section. And we went ahead and focused on the bundling, reviews. So they had a certain section, like a specific section on the website. I'm not sure if they still have it. Actually, yeah, right here. So they basically had like a whole entire section of just as you see right here, of just like different bundled products. So what we did right here is we just went ahead and just took the reviews here and placed it here. And you see like some of these reviews actually said that they were savings. That's why they like these bundles. So if you see like this example right here from Lisa, it says, I purchased a large amount at a discount and with free shipping so that brought the price up into the affordable range. I hope to have this opportunity again as I like seeing in stock. So when you have these reviews, they're basically selling your product for you. Like they're literally just selling the product for you. Like this person just went ahead and just summarized what we said here. And the reason why we want that is because not only does social proof actually increase the conversion rate, but it also just it really just humanizes the actual email. Like if you read this email, some people might just be like, I'm not sure if I'm going to even get this. I'm not sure if it's worth it. And then they read this and it's just reiterating what we said here, but by an actual person. So that's why I really like these type of emails, because it really just kind of just like we don't want to give them any excuse not to purchase. In this email, we're basically trying to make them put ourselves in a position where there's no excuse that they shouldn't actually make a purchase here, unless they actually went ahead and purchased already. So that was this email, our whole entire thought process and thesis on this email. And then we have the points reminder right here. So this points reminder email is basically the point system that they had set up in the past. So basically this is $5 off site wide, $10 off site wide, and $25 off site wide. So they need to basically reach these amount of points to actually get this type of reward. So this reminder is just us reminding them that whenever they make a purchase with an account, they're going to go ahead and get points. So the reason why this is so good is because you're enticing people to make more orders. And, it's kind of like just racking up points, just like spending on your credit card. You want to kind of frame it the same way, where the more they purchase, they're going to get cash back on their actual every single purchase they make. So it's like, did you get the last email on Mark Points? Every purchase you make earns you cash back to put towards future orders. So you can kind of just do the math here to figure out, how many points they need to basically go ahead and get these type of rewards. And when you put them in the frame of just every single purchase they make is going to go towards a future order, they're going to have less buyer's remorse. They're really going to think about that, and they're really going to think, okay, if I buy this, I'm going to get X amount of points, and I'm going to be able to get $25 off eventually. So when you put them in that frame of thinking, you basically hedge against buyer's remorse. So simply multiply your amount spent times 2 to know how much you earned, or check your rewards balance on the bottom right of our site. So we basically give them 2 solutions to basically go ahead and calculate how much they actually earned when they made their order. So basically, whenever they made an order, they made a certain amount of points. We went ahead and just walked them through what they'd actually, how they'd actually, come to that conclusion in that calculation. And we gave them the easier solution, which is basically just checking the rewards balance on their site. Then we did have a shop now here. And then obviously we had the review section, my favorite section. This is Daddy earned major points. This was an actual review. Lisa W, fast shipping, great prices, and just more reviews. Just basically humanizing this email and making it so that people are really engaged and they're really they know that somebody actually benefited from this offer in this actual email. So that was basically the gist of this, and it's a very, very easy way to think about your emails. It's all you're really doing is putting a really good offer in front of them, or a reminder of whatever you guys are actually selling. Have a CTA right here. This is an old version, so we don't have the CTA here. Have a CTA right here, and then you go ahead and provide more information, and then go ahead and add a CTA at the bottom with reviews. So the way that these emails look is you have the big offer right here, you have a CTA, and then you have more information, and then you have the reviews, and you have a CTA right here. So this is basically the gist of this video. I hope you guys got some value of it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.